Okay, in this section, what I'm going to do is show you how to quickly create like a kit of items so that you can speed up data input. Let's say that I've got a set of items, like if you look at these 4 items, let's say that all those 4 items I want to add, and I sell those over and over and over, like, we call them some basic install kits that might have a mount, materials, some install, and, maybe a projector or something like that. So and 2 cables. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new auto or quick item. And so I hit on add quick item, and I'm going to call this item my Tom kit. Tom install kit, and I'm going to put a unit price in. I'll say it's going to be $1,500, and I'm not going to put a cost in there. The manufacturer is, I'm just going to put CCS. And the category, I'm going to put it in as miscellaneous and hit submit. So I've quickly added a kit item called the Tom kit, and I'm going to add line. So now I have my Tom kit line. Now, once you've got a kit, all you really, or a quick item called kit, all you really have is an item. So in order to populate that kit, what you need to do is assign auto parts to it. And you do that by clicking on an item you want to assign to it. You right-click on that item, and then you say you want to add that as an auto part. So add that as an auto part, which is an automatic part that will show up for an item. And I want to add that to row 5, which is the row that has my kit item on it. And I'm going to repeat that process, add auto part to row 5, for each item that I want to add to my kit. So I'm going to add that as an auto part to row 5. And now I'm going to add that as an auto part to row 5. So you see that took me all of about 15 seconds to do. And now the Tom kit item has multiple items assigned to it. So going forward, if I wanted to grab all those items at once, if I've got a kit of items that I sell, I can go type in my Tom kit. And I see that on my quick items list, I double click, I hit add line. It's going to tell me auto items are added. And so if you look at what happened, it added my kit line, plus it added all those auto lines. Now let's say for whatever reason, I don't want to show my Tom kit line item. Maybe I want to delete it. I can just right click on it and hit delete line. And now I've got all the lines that were in my kit without that kit line header. So that's an easy, quick way of creating kits and reusing those kits over and over. This works for any quote once you've created that kit. And you can also, if you want to, you can delete items from the kit. So let's say I don't want that 680 to be in the kit anymore. All I do is right click on it. I say remove it as an auto part. It says which row has the item you want to remove it from, and that's row 5. So I'm going to hit row 5. And now that SB680 is no longer going to be part of my Tom kit. So you see if I add Tom kit again to my quote, that SB680 is no longer there. Okay, thanks for your attention.